Yeah, hello, welcome. My name is Emmanuel, Cssbuy Africa agent. In this video guide, I'm going to show you how to register and set up a Cssbuy account. But then before that, let's quickly see what Cssbuy is. Let me quickly head to my browser. Cssbuy is basically a procurement and forwarding company found in the year 2012 in Hangzhou by the Hangzhou West Road Electronic Commerce Company Limited. Its services are basically bridging the gap between the international market and the Chinese domestic market. So here shoppers living outside China can easily buy from Chinese domestic websites which are completely written in Chinese characters and requires only residents in China to shop from. These are wholesale and retail sites. Just an example is the 1688 and many others like JD, Taobao, Tmall and the rest that have very wonderful quality and affordable products. So Cssbuy bridges the gap by helping you buy from this website with no need traveling to China to be able to do this. Cssbuy is also integrated with top logistic companies like DHL, FedEx, Aramex, Chinese Post and the rest that you can choose from for them to forward your goods or your parcels to whichever country you reside. So that is it for Cssbuy. So now let's go ahead with registering an account, which is a requirement for most companies online. You will have to sign up for you to be eligible to their services. So as usual, you have to register. So at the top right corner, you see the login or register button. Just click on it and then it will open the registration form for you to fill. This is the form, register a new account. So the first requirement is you choose a username for yourself, which I'll recommend you choose your full name. In my case, I'm going to use my other name and candle because my name is already on the system. So let me do that for you. See, you can see username is already taken because I already have my personal account here. So I'm going to use my business name. For these tutorial purposes, then you enter your email address quickly. Then you set a password for your account to keep it secured for only your use. And then you are required, password not equal, let me redo that. I think it's okay now. Invite user is optional, but for this video I would like you to enter Encandu as your user. Anybody who signs up and use this as your referral, there's a promo running currently. When you use this referral name Encandu, you get a 2% off the regular service fee, which is 6% for new sign up. So just use this for your invite when you sign up and you get a 1 month free 2% off. Then you enter the just use this, but because I'm not registering the account, that is why you say username does not exist, but just enter and can do there because I'm already creating the account. 5. Fill in the authentication code and hit register. Because this name, let me clear it, but remember to enter that and then hit register. When you hit the registration, activate your account. We have sent a notification to your email. Please check your email and activate your account within 24 hours. So you can just head straight to your email to locate the activation mail sent to you. So when you do that, you just come here and hit the activation link, and then your account will be activated for you to log in. So once you're done with this step, you've gone through the first stage of registration. So let's go straight ahead to set up our Cssbuy account. So here is how the dashboard, the user center looks like. This is the back end for the user. Anytime you log in, this is the place you normally see. I will later explain all the menus, the options that are available. So when you sign up for the first time, you get a 200 points. The more points you accumulate enables you to redeem coupons. So first thing we have to do in setting up this account is updating our profile by going to edit profile, and then we enter our full name, and then your sex, zip code. I'm in Ghana, so I'm going to use my default postal code, and then phone number. Make sure you fill these places, because whatever information you provide here will be used in contacting you in case of any issue or need. So let me fill in our I'm in Ghana, so I'm filling in my Ghanaian information. So once done with filling the information, just click on save. And then after that, the next thing you have to do is adding an address to your address book. You have to add an address to your address book. So you come here to address book under the buy for me, and then add address. Receiver name will still be your full name, because that is the name that will be written on your delivery address when they are forwarding to you. Then you choose your country, Ghana, and then your city, the state, and then your address. Let me quickly fill in address, then a zip code as usual. You can input your postal code if you have a post office box, or postal number, depending on which country you are signing up from, or a zip code, you enter it there, and then your phone number as usual. That will be +23357. So once you're done with filling in your address, you just hit add, and the address will be automatically added to your address book. This address book is the address they would forward your parcel to internationally, outside China. You can also add a Chinese address in case you have your personal shipping agent. You can also add the shipping agent's address by selecting the China as a country here, and then filling it in with the Chinese address given to you by a Chinese forwarder or shipping agent. So that it is. Thank you for watching the video.